Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hello everyone, in this problem it is given the board is used to hold the end of a four-way lug branch in the position shown in figure. Man apply the force of 100 Newton in the vertical plane. We have to calculate the moment of this force along x-axis. This is A point, this is B point. You can write the coordinates of A and B. Coordinates of A point is minus 0.25. 250, it is given in millimeters, so we are converting it 0.25 meter. And this value is also 0.250, so 0.25 meter. And coordinate of B point you may calculate 0.25 and 0.25 meter. Force can be written in vector form since it lies in the vertical plane of x, so it will be, or it making angle 60 degree, so it will be 100 cos 60 I cap minus 100 sin 60 j cap. So this force can be written as F equal to 100 cos 60 will be 50 Newton and 100 sin 60 will be 86.6 j cap Newton. Now find the position vector AV. So this value will be 0.25 minus 0.25 I cap plus 0.25 minus 0 j cap. Sorry, I have done the mistake here because A point lies on the x-axis, so its y coordinate will be 0. So I have to make a correction here. Extremely sorry. Plus k cap 0 minus 0. So position vector AB we will get 0.25 j cap meter. This is your first equation. This is the second one. Now, moment of force along x-axis can be defined as I dot cross AV cross F. So again, this is the triple product of I vector, AV vector and force vector. So we can solve this problem by the concept of vector scalar triple product. Vector scalar triple product concept we have to use. So it will be 1 0 0 0 0.25 0, force is 0 50 minus 86.6. On solving the moment of force along x-axis, you will get 21.7 Newton meter. So this is the answer for this problem. Thank you for watching the